it recording? You can zoom in.
How?
The thing's voice is starting to go out because of how long it's been doing that to Skunk.
He's so mad. Skunk's trying to pretend he doesn't care.
Yeah, you can see it in his face on him. He's pissed off.
At least his lip's not twitching anymore.
That's what you deserve, Skunk.
Skunk doesn't even care. Look at him. Licking his paws like, whatever. Little bastard. He's gonna go at him again.
Skunk, there's this thing called karma. I think you found it.
I'm gonna shut it off. That bird is gonna never leave him alone. Skunk doesn't even care.
Well, that's all.
Whoops.
Oh, it shut up for a second. I thought it ended. Look how pissed off Skunk is.
That bird's mad.
You think?
Here he comes. I hope I want one of those where he's coming after Skunk again.
The bird's trying to get as close as possible just to irritate him.
God, that bird is so annoying.
It's starting to follow Skunk. I kind of feel bad for Skunk, but at the same time he deserves it.